Located in the popular Alfred Drowne neighborhood, this pristine, custom-built home with a bright and open floor plan enjoys stunning westerly water views of Narragansett Bay. Walk in from the expansive deck and into the oversized great room with a wood-burning fireplace. The updated galley-style kitchen looks out to the great room and features granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. Sit down to dinner in the formal dining room, where natural light flows in from the surrounding windows to make every meal a delight. Upstairs, wake up to the sounds and views of the seashore in your spacious master bedroom with its own private deck and master bath. Completing the upper level are 3 generous bedrooms, all possessing their own water view. The finished lower level offers additional living space to create a family room or recreation room and walk-out access to the yard. The town of Barrington offers a plethora of bayside amenities, including the Rhode Island Country Club, the town beach, and the Barrington Yacht Club. Locally owned stores and restaurants fill Barrington's quaint downtown area. Barrington has plenty of local parks, and the Bayside YMCA is filled with newly updated facilities. The town's award-winning school system is consistently ranked as one of the top in the country. This quiet suburb is only 20 minutes from downtown Providence, and it's one-of-a-kind cultural scene. For more information, please visit the property website or call Elizabeth Kirk at area code 401-225-0371.